When downloading mods, make sure you only get them from sources you trust. Most mods also require the Fabric API, which you can download from sites like Modrinth or CurseForge. Check that the mods work with the version of Minecraft you're playing. For example, a mod that worked on version 1.21.8 might not work on January 21st, 10. Make sure the mod is for Fabric, not another mod loader, and that it's for the correct edition of Minecraft, like Java Edition. After downloading, you need to move the mod files into the mods folder. On Windows, Mac OS, or Linux, you can usually navigate to the mods folder by using the path %appdata% Minecraft \mods. Once you've located the folder, simply drag and drop the mod.jar files into it. After the mods are in the folder, open the Minecraft launcher, select the Fabric profile from the drop-down in the bottom left corner, and press play. That's it. Your mods are ready to use.